I'm Shiva, plus 1000 others attached. I call upon our beloved Creator of heaven and earth and all that is in between to give me clear, concise, divine guidance that serves His highest good. It is so. We are now vibrating at the frequency of absolute conscious awareness. It is so. Our beloved Creator, you are worthy to be praised. You are the greatest. Our beloved Creator, you are worthy to be praised. You are the greatest. Fear not. No weapon formed against you can prosper. And they tried. Had they not tried, they'd have been with us. Stay, work it out. Maybe you felt like you want to give up on your Creator because the challenges seem endless. But He's saying, don't give up on Him. Return to sender is demonic. Christ sent it to the pigs. You don't have to do that stuff. Our power defeated them. That is why they had to go. Because of this shit. All the witchcraft. S is for Shiva. Our beloved Creator. Yeah, no, the wicked went overboard. But it is a year since the third ascension. They are dealt with. That's why every weapon they form now, we are in the light. It is boomerangs onto them. It's just physics. Don't give up on yourself. What they did to you does not define you. That was just an experience of divine knowledge. Now what is the wisdom you can gain out of that ugliness? Firstly, knowing that you are safe now. Secondly, knowing that you can ask our beloved Creator everything. He is one request away. But they don't have Him. They're here where He is not. You see, our beloved Creator is loyal to you. It may have taken long for you to get divine justice, but in divine timing, it came. He chose you over your enemies. I'm grateful now that I'm maturing. The divine descendants of our beloved Creator are ever evolving. We may know a lot about a lot, but there's always more to learn. The Creator is satisfied with you. He's satisfied with your growth. He's encouraging you. Work it out, pray, speak to Him. Ask Him. He sorted them out. Yeah. In the cosmos, we can have a lot of tolerance for many, many things. But we don't have tolerance for atheism and witchcraft. But they couldn't be dealt with prior to ascension. They were dealt with when they were 100% deserving of this harvest. It's good. Make peace with it. Find solace in it. At least our future generations won't have to be subjected to this hocus pocus. I beloved Creator, this is part of the evolution process. Every day is not easy. It's not just about sunshine and roses. them world leaders ruled Disney World. They thought life is a game and you were just a pawn. And they could use secret warfare against us because they had been doing it for so long. However, they said that the most intelligent, the most powerful, you name it, they glorified themselves. However, ultimately, it was only Disney World. Fiction, theatrics, animation, illusion. You got the victory. Who were they without the witchcraft, these serpents? There was another attack, like just before I did this video. And it is for those having affairs, clandestine affairs, and something else. Oh, and the spreading of STIs and STDs. I wasn't even supposed to be drawing from this deck, but I'll keep it. Whoever did whatever to you, something ugly like that via witchcraft, misled you into some emotional entanglement and all of that. Our Creator defeated them. They are now suffering with the very things they wanted to bring to you because it just boomerang. Well, our Creator, I don't like to do readings about the wicked, but I am appreciative that you defeated all our enemies on our behalf. A step here is a step there. It is true. All places exist here simultaneously except this place. This place is under the bottom of the barrel. Our Creator separated us from them. That's why I glow blue, because when the sapphire dome, I glow golden, because I'm the golden ray. And you see this orange light, the Rasul, Son of Man. This is how we ascend the cosmic rungs of evolution. And our Creator shares these things with me, that's why I can tell you this is so. I don't just make stuff up. I'm not that creative to make up fiction. I say the hard things, even if it looks how initially, eventually, you see it for yourself in reality. Our Creator forgave everyone with the first ascension, but they continued with that nonsense. That is when they got separated, so we were all saved. But they couldn't break those habits. For intelligent people, they're stuck in a loop. It's not about survival, it's your destiny. A Creator wants you to know He's with you all the way. He defeated all your enemies for you. What you learned through this whole process has matured you. It has given you wisdom and discernment. You can clearly see who the enemies were and how we identify them. And there were a lot of bad people, right? But they were not atheists, nor did they use witchcraft, which is exploring that part of divine knowledge, and our Creator saved them. Because it was His knowledge they were experiencing, and He said it is good. But He did say, don't do this. Our beloved Creator, He said, don't do this. But they did it. They engaged in. Our Creator showed mercy to those who repented. This was 23 May 2025. And then they got all the karma. And then they went ahead and engaged in Lion Gate's 8-gate portal and lost every battle. That's why I got Golden Portal Sovereignty. That's why I can tell you this is so. Because they used serpents to battle. And you know I got eyes from here to here. And not only eyes, I have swords. So this is true because this is the place where our beloved Creator is not. And where He is not, there's no life. They deserve it. Had they not engaged in that battle, it would have proven that there was some sensibility. But they engaged so confidently because they believed it. They thought it was real. Their untouchability. They did a lot to the divine brother of man, and now you're putting back the pieces. And that is good because every weapon formed against us serves us. They did that, now you're wiser. And grateful that you did not do that. I think our Creator was very generous with us. I mean, of all the crap we did, He just said no to atheism and witchcraft. How about that? And they got it wrong, and yet they call themselves the most intelligent. Where? True power is founded on obedience to our Papa. Our Papa said, go forth and multiply and live a good life. But He did say, don't deny me and don't use witchcraft. And the majority of us, we were obedient. And then this lot who were disobedient, they repented and He showed them mercy because we are His children. But this lot, they delusional because the spirits of illusion, of deception, manipulation, chaos, and disobedience is now consuming them. I said earlier on this attack was about secret affairs and the spreading of disease. That is how they operate. That's what they do. This is why you ascended. Because no matter how bad it is and this and that and that, because of these creatures, you are obedient to our beloved Creator. You ascended. Don't worry. They thought they won, but you get the last laugh. You leveled up. The victory is yours. Our Creator said that He first gives us the victory. First gives the victory. And then send us to battle. Now that's just how it works. But your enemies are certainly taken care of. I think how they were with you was like very arrogant and brazen, and they try to belittle you and manipulate you and intimidate you. My Creator said, oh no, not on His watch. What do you mean? They deserve this. It's your destiny, but that's their fate. Oh, one of these readings again. Okay, cool. Our beloved Creator, this is intense. Don't instruct the divine, it is demonic. We are gods and goddesses made in the image and likeness of our beloved Creator. We don't take instruction. You can't tell a god and goddess, do this, do that, and you're looking for trouble. And that is what the wicked try to steal from you, was your divinity. And want to tell you, sit up, roll over, lay down, etc. right? They wanted to domesticate you. They got their due reward. I think they humiliated you in front of people, like they always waited for an audience. However, our Father doesn't tolerate disrespect. Our beloved Creator, this reading, we love you. Thank you for divine justice. Because these creatures are on another level. We can't even begin to comprehend the antisocial personality disorder they have, the extent of it. Overconfident, brazen, sadist, appreciate righteousness and protect. Our beloved Creator is protective over you. This light is a protective shield. So anything that tries to penetrate it, that they try to fight them. You are protected. A Creator appreciates you. He's happy to protect you. Because though they now did what they did when they did it, you are obedient. However, the victory is yours. Because they're cruel. That is what you call cruelty. Don't share nothing with them. Don't share anything with them. I lost that card now. But I'll take this. Because they try to sabotage you. Their life's mission is to watch your life, try to tell you how to live your life. And then feel like your puppet master. But the less they know, the less they know. Because they don't have that ability to do whatever witchcraft to look into your life and send these spirits and all that. No, that is over. They lost. Yeah. Creators on a mission. Satanic Satanists made spirituality seem like reality. They were very deceptive, very subtle in their deception. It's like this black serpent with this red dots I saw tonight. It's like a secret affair. The elders are protecting you. See, here's elders. They're helping you mature. A Creator's just assuring you that no weapon formed against you can prosper, but it will certainly teach you and whip their asses. They stuck here. Our beloved Creator, this was one of those readings. Thank you for defeating all our enemies on our behalf. Thank you that we happened to do the right thing and we saved. We appreciate that. And thank you for making it clear to us, giving us a realistic perspective of where we were and where we are now. Our beloved Creator is worthy to be praised. He is the greatest. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Namaste.